What's going on, guys? My name is Brandon. Welcome back to All Things Bearded. She's back.
I'm back.
So I'm gonna bring my wife back for another unboxing today. She's making me stop doing that. I'm constantly putting my hands in the frame, and my friend Addie told me to stop. So Addie,
shout out.
This one's for you. I'm gonna try to stop. So today we are unboxing the RedBox from Detroit Grooming Company. I ordered this thing on Friday, and it is Monday, and it's already here. So
shipping game strong.
Well, you don't know this. Mike, the guy from Detroit Grooming, he was actually on live today, and I hopped on to say hello. And he said, your package is arriving today. So he tracked everybody's packages, made sure that everybody knew what they were doing and the way it was going. So we'll go ahead
nice. That's really
unbox
nice.
this. It has not been opened at all, so we literally have no idea what's in it. This is actually your Valentine's Day gift, too.
Oh, is it?
Yep.
Just what I wanted.
Happy Valentine's Day.
How did you know?
Happy Valentine's Day. Let's see if I can get this open. Packaged very nicely. Did a great job on shipping, of course. So we'll go ahead and open this.
Especially with as crazy as shipping has been on
Post
stuff
office
lately.
has been nuts. Woo! Look at that. And we got the one that Mike signed. So I know he didn't sign somebody's, and they called him out. So I'm glad.
Oh, this is nice.
We have the autographed edition of it. So.
And it's a beautiful shade of red, too. It's good looking. Good looking box.
Okay. So we're back. We got all the stuff taken care of with the dogs. So, okay, these were 50 bucks. There's $100 worth of product in here, and one person had the opportunity to win a $50 gift card. I already know it's not in this one because I've seen the guy that got it. So congratulations to him. So,
okay.
So starting up top, we have a Detroit Grooming trucker hat.
Oh, this is nice.
I feel you're gonna steal that one, so okay, yeah, that's gone. I will never see that hat again after this. We have the, this is the 313. It looks like a sticker, I guess.
Yeah, like a decal.
That'll look
or
good.
not a decal, but
yeah,
it's big, and it's that kind of material.
we put it on a skate deck if I had a
Yeah.
blank one. All right, so the goodies. We have, first up, this is the Corktown Special Edition Solid Cologne. Now, I know this color scheme is from John Wick. That's why it's got a purple.
Oh, it's like
metallic, holographic.
ombre.
Yep.
Something else, but whatever. Oh.
So Corktown.
I like that.
Corktown's like
It's
their,
kind of light.
it's their flagship.
Yeah.
scent. I love Corktown. It's vanilla, tobacco,
Oh, yeah,
and
vanilla.
cedarwood. Yeah, it was the first ever scent I got from Detroit Grooming. After that, I was hooked. Okay, we also have a nice wooden comb. These
Oh,
are
that's nice.
Very nice high end.
Yeah.
I love that.
This will be good for your beard, just like it's very finger friendly size.
It's good for a touch up. So we also have the black. Now this is cedarwood and amber from Detroit Grooming. As far as beard oil is concerned, this is Mike's favorite. So I figured that would be in somebody's because Mike loves the black. He would use that every day for the rest of his life, he said, if he had to just pick one scent.
Of course.
She's gonna go ahead and sniff it.
Oh yeah.
What do you think? It's good stuff.
I like that.
I love black. The black line.
It's very clean smelling.
Yes. We also have something I might never use, but we have very nice
Straight edge.
Yes, very nice straight edge razor. My barber is probably going to end up getting this, so
He'll like that.
Yeah, Des, if you're watching, this is definitely coming to you. Now,
But this is really cool.
yeah, I love the way that looks. Now, Liz from Detroit Grooming actually, when I placed the order, she said, ha ha ha, you're getting all razors and razor blades. So I'm glad it's just that and it's not full of just stuff that I can cut this beard with because I would not use that. All right.
Little dog tag.
Nice
thing.
dog tag, says Detroit Grooming on it.
Yeah. I like their logo.
It's very old school,
Yeah.
but simplistic. I love the way it looks too. I need to buy one of their shirts because their shirts have that logo on it and they look awesome. Ooh,
Oh, another.
okay, now you get a metal one, and I think that's a bottle opener.
Yes, it
on
is. That's really nice. Beanie, I'm gonna comb your hair with this.
That's one of our dogs, Bennett. She's gonna get a comb with us. This is
Mustache.
the mustache wax, which I will not be using. My mustache is not stylish, but it's very nice to have. Okay, also we have the black beard wash.
Ooh, you'll like that.
Yes, this will definitely get used. And we also have the Traverse City bar soap right here. So this stuff is excellent. I've been wanting to try it, so I'm glad that they sent that. That's a cherry tobacco scent.
Oh, nice.
And lastly, we have one of the pins from Detroit Grooming. You can go on your bags and all that good stuff, jackets. So very nice pin as well. So like I said, for 50 bucks to get all of this stuff is fantastic. It also has a very nice packaging. That's just the razors for
the blades.
Yes,
Yeah.
something I will not be using. But very nice packaging. They did a great job. Like I said, shipping was extremely fast. So I'm hoping they do this again.
Yeah, it'd be really cool, like a concept of like a subscription box or something, like quarterly.
That or do it by like the month. I just covered your face.
Yeah.
I didn't mean to do that. We're getting new at this stuff. But anyways, that is the RedBox from Detroit Grooming. All of the people over there, Brad, Liz, Mike, y'all did a fantastic job on this. It's sold out in 4 minutes and 40 something seconds.
Impressive.
I mean, everybody was, so I was scared to death because it wasn't on the app for like first 2 minutes, and I'm like in a live stream with them like,
refresh,
where's it at? Where's it at? Where's it at? And Brad's like, I don't know where it is. I'm trying to find it. So I'm glad they found it. I'm glad we have it. We'll see you guys in the next video. And as always, stay safe
and stay bearded.
See you guys.